Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Cami and on this channel we focus mainly on graphic design. So today is a bit of a different one. We're going to be looking at a brief that was sent to me for an interview that sadly I didn't get, so we got a video out of it. And this brief is all about mental health and trying to bring attention to mental health, specifically to PTSD, and try and get those people to get help. So yeah, let's get started. So I decided to go with lettering for this. This is something that I've been recently learning how to, letter, and this is my process on Procreate, seeing how, things go. So I start obviously with some sort of idea and create these sort of grids to see what the layout would be like and how would everything look like. As you can see, there's a couple of different phrases that I'm doing, a couple of different styles that I'm doing as well. So we have take control, don't hide, heal, as well as strong, brave survivor, and anyone can have PTSD. So after I sketch this out in Procreate and basically have it done-ish, I will be throwing that into Illustrator to either add in some extra words that I do want to be a font or play about with the colours. So what I did here was outline my design in Illustrator to ensure that everything can be edited and I can work easily on Illustrator with the things that I created in Procreate. And my general thinking about this idea was that I wanted to create something that is very empowering and not depressing, as some mental health awareness campaigns can be very depressing. Like the first one that comes to my mind is the typical one with black and whites, mouth covering, or a person looking in distress, fear, and anything like that. And I found this could be rather triggering, and I wanted to support and empower the people with PTSD to go and get help rather than make them triggered and, not feeling in the best way possible. And that's why I wanted to create something that is empowering and does lead to them feeling much better about themselves, as it is all these phrases are very confident and they aim to create confidence as well. And of course this is a campaign, so we do have a hashtag, and it's #SpeakOutMovement, and I'm not too sure if it's already out there, but this is just for a campaign for an interview that I had, so it wasn't really a big importance on the hashtags that are already out there, but the actual design and the thinking behind it. And of course in every single one we also do have the contact a healthcare professional, as that is our main aim. And I also decided to add some contacts to where this person should go. So I did say to contact the NHS as well as some other platforms that do deal with PTSD. And then finally we get into colour, which is how I will be bringing all of this back together. So I wanted a very strong colour palette that is again very empowering, confident, happy. So I didn't want to go for anything black and white. And as you can see, I'm just doing a lot of trial and error. And the main importance is ensuring that this colour palette does look like it does bring the whole thing together, and it doesn't look like a whole 4 separate designs. And then finally I've chosen the colours, and the main background colours are the pink and the two turquoisey colours. And I wanted to ensure these are the only ones, as that's what really brings the backgrounds together, which is like the main thing. And then the actual letters inside, it can be different colours from the orange and the off-white, as well as the pinks and the two turquoisey colours. And for this brand I also included another visual, which is allowing others to share their own stories. So it says, why seek help? And then you'd have a personal story of someone who did get help, and it's of course a success story which should encourage others to get help. And of course we are using the same colours from the 4 poster designs or social media designs. And yeah, this is the finished product, and that's all the 4 designs that you can see here that I've created. Thank you for watching. I really enjoyed doing this campaign. Unfortunately I didn't get a job out of it, but it makes a good video. So yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye!